Hello. InstinctHub learning management system allow you to juggle between courses, tracks, and cohorts. Let's take a look at how it works. So if I go to skills.instincthub.com and I navigate to library, so from library, I'm able to see all the courses available, and from there, I'm also able to filter between subjects, skills level, and also duration. Aside that, I am also able to explore other options. So let's say I want to learn a particular track. I want to learn something more intense. You can click on the track and the track will show you available tracks. The backends, front development, and also AI and workspace automation. These are career paths that you can choose, and in them you see several other courses. Also, you can go to cohorts. Cohorts are programs where we plan between a particular period of time. And again, you can also see events. If we go to cohorts, you will see the current cohort that we have live. And from there, you can also still explore and see events. So events are programs that we have and we archive them for you to have a playback. Okay. Let's go back to our track. So let's say I want to enroll for the AI automation. I can just come back here and click on the AI automation. So you will see the overview of the AI automation, and you can see the courses in between the track. You can see the first one here. You have Microsoft Power Automate, you have prompt engineering, you have AI for everybody. You know, as we create more courses, you would see them under this very track. So let's say I want to enroll for this track. I'll click on enroll. We currently made this free, so anyone can come sign up and you're able to enroll. So if I enroll for this, I should be able to get in. Now, the moment you enroll, what we do for you is we have a dashboard for you to track your learning process. So what you can do is look at, you can just look at the first unit. So courses are broken down into units. You have unit 1, you have unit 2. In unit 2, currently you have 2 courses, Mastering Prompt Engineering and also AI for Everybody. But based on the order, the first course you have to complete is the Power Automate course. So you can start with that course. And the cool thing here is that you're also able to see your progress. You're able to see how you learn on a daily and monthly basis on this section. So let's say I go ahead and I click on the Power Automate, and there it will take me to the dashboard where I can see more details about the course. Once I look at it, here you can see the hours you've spent learning, step completed, total point earned, and if you submit project, you could also see the point earned as a result of your project. So let's say right now I want to just hit on the first task, which is to learn from the Power Automate. Once you click that, it will direct you to the course player platform. So here is where you're going to take the course one after the other. So the lessons are being broken down for each courses, and you're able to take that. One more thing you should also take note of is this segment where we have the teacher's notes. So whenever we have any tips or any link that we want you to have access to, you always see it here. You can also ask questions if you need. You can also download. If there are download files, anything we want you to have, you always see it here. Course project, if this course has a project, you see it here. You can also give us reviews after taking the course at any point in time. Let's say you're done with this course. Of course, there'll be a button to tell you to move to the next lesson, but currently this didn't direct me to, okay, maybe because of the lesson that I picked. Always take note, this is the module 1, and from the module 1 I can go ahead and just click module 1, and here you would see the first lesson from module 1. Okay, so pretty much that's how this works. And let's say you're done and all you need to do is, maybe you want to go back to your dashboard. You can just come back here and click on the dashboard. Correct? That's not the dashboard I wanted to go to, but I think if you want to go back to your track itself, there are two ways to do that. You could click on your avatar, then go to my track, which will bring you here. Or you could just click on this, the icon here, the InstinctHub icon here, and it will take you back to that track. Pretty much that's the overview on how to take a course and a track on InstinctHub Learning Management System. See you in the next one.